I'm Dr. Azra Fatima, clinical psychologist. Being a thalassemia patient, I have all my normal life, having a kid, married, achieved my career, and living my dream. It's just because of all of you. I know everybody here are so humble with heart. They say that no, we have done nothing. It is God, but God also gives this kind heart to special people, and you are those special people. You are angels to us. Because I have every time heard, जब जाके मैं thank करती थी donor को, इसलिए नहीं it's अल्लाह का जरिया है या फिर God has sent us, but God will only select few people, and you are those. So who else understand the importance of blood? People working with TSCS and a patient who is living on blood transfusions. So I am still dependent on blood transfusion for every 15 to 20 days. And apart from the medical management, which is again for iron chelation, with this, I'm living my normal life. I have no worries. I'm taking all my medication properly and leading my normal life. But 20 years back, I show you past, it was very hard. Okay. On the transfusion day, I still remember my parents' face, worried, anxious, for arranging the blood for next 15 days transfusion. That was so difficult to have blood donors at that time. If our relatives, door to door, we used to go and knock the people's door. That time we didn't have WhatsApp groups, social media to put it, right? It was only personal. I used to get admitted in a hospital, and my parent used to visit each blood bank, because sometimes blood bank doesn't used to receive call. There were no mobiles that time, or it was not so easily available. Personally, they used to visit from Old City to Bashirbagh. If Bashirbagh Lions Club, they don't have blood, they have to go to Secunderabad to number of places. But thalassemia has made it possible by keeping everything under roof. But as Dr. Suman said, it is not possible. अगर आप लोग blood donors आके blood नहीं देते, तो it is of no use. The facilities are of no use. So every blood camp organizer, small or big, every blood donor who have donated their blood in single digit or multiple digit, every one of you have a very big contribution in life of thalassemia majors. We have got a hope to live, a hope to achieve things in life, and a strength to live. So, and this donation ka thing has inspired me so much. I cannot donate, right? But you have inspired me so much to achieve something in life which I can multiply. With my achievement being a clinical psychologist, when I try to counsel parents and make children like have a smile on their face, I think, okay, what I got, I am actually multiplying, giving it to the humanity. And by this only the humanity can live. So you have a great contribution in this. I cannot name each and everybody's name because the list is too long. We have 14 years of journey of having blood camp, and blood donation organizers are multiplied. But each and every one, please take my gratitude on behalf of all of my thalassemia warrior. A very big thank you. Thank you so much for being here. I know a token of memento and certificate will not give a justification. Your contribution is more than that. So, but please accept it with very warm heart. Thank you so much.